how much is your expectation? How is the response till now? Has there been any talk with the central government, yeah, BJP-led government in the state?
We have been talking to the central government for the last 1 year, and there are ups and downs in our talk. And the last meeting was also with it just opened some hope for the agreement to be signed and completed the entire deal. But somehow the central government is taking time. They told us that in the next 2-3 days we'll sort it out, but 2-3 days have already passed. We are also under tremendous pressure because the need of the prasa, we are losing every single day. Development is not happening. TTADC is not being funded. So many problems. Drinking water, jobs. We are with huge problems in the prasa areas. So the party we floated is to fight for the Tiprasas, and Maharajji is committed to his word, and this is the only way. I think hunger strike is one of the finest way of putting up your demand. Even Mahatma Gandhi, if I can remember, 18 times he had to go for hunger strike to throw out the Britishers from here. Ripan Babu, the erstwhile CM of Tripura, also had gone for 13 days of fast, hunger strike, to give settlement to the people coming from Bangladesh. So this is politicians, political leaders definitely have to go for hunger strike or any kind of movement when the need of the people is not well addressed by the government. So we are hopeful. You can see that people already started gathering here. Maharajji also left Agartala. He will be reaching here within a short period of time. And as per our schedule, the hunger strike will go on. And I am sure Government of India is also taking very close stock of this movement. And they will, it's my firm belief that they will definitely respond to our agitation in positive way.